Yeah, hi everyone. Robert here from Aussie Gold Dog. Um, we're going to start a few review videos on the tools we use. We've actually been asked by a lot of customers and people interested in metalwork what we actually use. So what we're steering at is a good brand. And what we've found is Ozito is their products have really been good for us here in the workshop. Now what we do mostly at the moment is we build trommels. So we're cutting out and drilling 2mm alloys. We do a lot of drilling, a lot of riveting. Another thing, we do all our metal legs and stuff like that now with Ozito tools. We're going to start sort of trying to probably make the workshop a Ozito workshop. We're not like a do-it-yourself. We are a manufacturer. We have been for 7 years. And our biggest complaints are jobs don't get out on time. So we need tools that aren't going to break down on us. And so far, none of these have. We've got a drill here from Ozito, which my mother bought me, oh God, quite a few years ago. That we've never had problems with, never. That is one of the best, and it's my main tool that I go to for drilling. Then we've got the newer ones here that I've been starting to get. They're coming in very handy for the CNC machine. This one here, as we do the screws with it. And then we've got the battery charger, of course. That's working like 24 hours a day. These things work, well, we're in the workshop anywhere from say 6 hours to 15 hours a day. They work every single day. And for Christmas, one of my best mates, well, he's more like a brother really, thanks Brett, Brett Youngs actually, he got me one of these because he could see that we're having problems. A good old jigsaw, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, but it's just like we've had it since Christmas and it works every day now as well. So we're going to start doing reviews, answering people's questions. Like I say, we have never had one fail on us yet. The only one that failed was a shop vac, and it was actually the switch wouldn't work. This one's okay. The other one's sitting outside for hopefully one day we can repair it, but I just haven't got the time. So they're the Ozito range. Vice clamps is another thing we use a hell of a lot here, but we just can't get a good one. Every one that we use either breaks within a few weeks, doesn't clamp properly, like this one here. Nothing to say to the manufacturer, we don't treat our tools bad, but they just fail. So we'll do it on clamps as well. And then if we come over here quickly, these are some of the air tools we use. There are only a few of them. It's sort of like, this is a working bench at the moment. I've just sort of decided to do this quick video. The drills, great drills. Best drills we've used so far. Haven't had to replace one yet. I think I've broken 2, but that's my fault, not the drills. This little zippy thing my mate got the other day, he loves using this one. I haven't really used it that much. So we'll do some reviews on those. And then just to show you how our tools are, please don't worry about the mess on the floor. We've got another mate coming up in a week or so, and we're going to do a shop refit. This compressor here, this is 35 years old. 30 years old this is. We haven't had many problems with it at all, except for water too much water in the system. But as you can see, I haven't set it up properly or anything like that. And now we're just starting to sort of put our hoses up in the air. We go over here and we got one of these, I don't know where this come from. This is one from Bunnings, that we're going to put them all up through the shed workshop. Coming back to these, all these were bought either from Grafton Bunnings or Coffs Harbour Bunnings, and we find the people down there very, very helpful, and you know, they'll go out of their way to help us get the machine we want. Just at the end, these are do-it-yourself tools. Like I said, I have a workshop and we've been running for 7 years. I would not go past these tools. To me, they're some of the best professional tools I've had. My wife's in there in a Grafton today. She's getting us an Ozito jigsaw. As what we do, we cut a lot of the 2mm sheets. We cut quite a few of those, and we just jigsaw them off now, and then the pieces go straight into CNC machines and go from there. All right, if you're interested in these like reviews from us, we're not a do-it-yourself, we're not a backyard hobbyist. We're a proper manufacturing business that's trying to get our machines out faster, and we need the tools that are reliable. And at the moment, I'll just take you over into the junk pile, sorry. But we're already, these ones are ready to be polished up and packed. They're the sluices there, these sluices just here. So they're all finished. Yeah, oh, and there's the old bender we got, which is okay, but we really need something better. Okay, so we'll go back over here. I'll just show you these tools again, and thanks for watching. And yeah, if you want us to do a review on something Ozito, let us know and we'll get it in the workshop and we'll show you how it works. And in the reviews, we will actually show you us using these tools, doing our trommels and whatever we do. Okay, thanks a lot. Catch us later. Bye.